Okay, so the Bay has their Bay Days sale on, and I got some stuff, and I just want to like unbox it with you real quick, and I'm gonna try them on. First of all, like, okay, this is for the kids. There's these like Calvin Klein jumpsuits, and I just have to show you because they are just the cutest. The pants, and then like so cute, so soft. Beautiful. And so I didn't get matching ones. I got one that's slightly different for her. Oh, okay, the smallest size they had was a 4. So like obviously she's not going to be living in size 4 clothes, but the other thing I wanted to see is like, so this one's made for a little girl. I want to see the size difference between the 4. Like, look at the difference. Okay. This is a size 4-year-old for a girl. And then look at the boy. Like, no wonder girls have, like, issues with body image. Am I right? Look how much smaller that is. Anyways. Okay, this is from Dex. It's a popular brand from the Bay. What's the regular? $60 for this sweater, regular, and I believe I paid 20 something for it. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. Okay, I just put a bra on because I didn't want to like nip slip you guys. It is a little bit see-through, but I kind of bought this as like more of a casual shirt, like a loose, easy to breastfeed shirt. Like this is really easy for me to lift this way or that way to breastfeed. And oh, really cute. Like I like the shape of it. I think it's really flattering. Very nice. Exciting. Okay, next up, also from Dex. It's like a brown sweater dress that I can wear like really nicely with tights. I'm either in tights or sweatpants, so everything I'm wearing should match with tights. Like I can wear this obviously with tights or sweatpants. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Okay, I want to say this was like $60 or $80. Okay, let's try this one on. So this is this one on. I think the sleeves are so cute. And I have like a similar zip shirt that I really like how it looks on me, so I thought the dress would be cute. Let me try without pants on. So yeah, without tights. I hope you can see my legs, but like it fits really nicely. I like the back, like it's this cute little detail at the back. Okay, this one I got for our upcoming trip to Mexico. Oh my god, I can't wait. So basically instead of Christmas, we're going on vacation this year. I don't like it's fully Christmas with the Crank style, and it's not gonna be, I'm not gonna tell you exactly when we're going because of like internet privacy, safety or whatever, but like it's not on Christmas, let's just say that. Okay, that's so cute, stop. Oh, so fun. I hope it fits me, it looks a little small. It's hard to tell sometimes, like especially with dresses, like if you don't have the jeans sizing, like 2, 4, 6, 8, so on and so forth, like you just have small, medium, large, it can be kind of tricky. So let's see what this one looks like on. Okay, so this is a small, and like I typically wear like a 4 or a 2 or a 6, like somewhere in that range for dresses. I guess it's like fitted, maybe just a smidge too tight. Like I can get the zipper up, no problem, but I usually like to feel like looser than this. So yeah, maybe I would have gotten the medium. What it looks like, I feel like it's super like tropical, you know? Okay, up next, I like undid this, but okay. Like tiered and florally, and like it would be nice for work or like even just like Christmas dinner. A bit more of a formal one, also from Dex, regular 80. Again, I think this is like $23 I got it for, so like a really good price. Okay, like stop it you guys, this one's so cute, isn't it? Oh, it's very flattering. Stop. Just gorgeous. Just, oh, just the cutest. Last one that's coming right now, I think I have one other shirt on the way. But this one's regular 50. It's also Dex. Like, apparently I have found a new brand that I really like because I loved all the Dex stuff and it was like actually discounted properly. You know, like I don't buy something unless it's like 50% off, 60% off. Anyways, like very cute little top. Let me see how it looks on. Anyways, like so cute. Simple, but like just like a tank top, so it's comfy. Okay, the only thing that's still pending is my like black Guess t-shirt, and it's literally just a t-shirt, but I just need more essentials like that. Like I wear t-shirts so often that like they just get washed so much that they become old and like not nice looking. So I've donated some and I just needed some like literal basic t-shirts and like stuff like this, like just a tank top that I can throw on that's like dressy. Like I have just like spaghetti strap tank tops that I wear all the time, so I want to get more stuff like this because if I'm like a tank top person a lot anyways, I might as well get like something like this that has just like a little bit more dressiness to it. Do you know what I mean? But anyways, I hope you enjoyed that because I did. And go get those Bayday deals. Not sponsored at all. Just like they have some really good stuff on sale. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.